Today I'm going to show how to assemble this bench. Let's get started. My dad had cut out, this is the top for a little bench. I'm going to sand down the end of this. It's kind of rough and I'm using, I don't know if it's 330 or if it's 100. They don't say what the grit is, but it's not super coarse. When I'm putting this on a flat surface, sandpaper, and then holding that down fairly tight. I don't want to go like that because I'm going to round off those edges, so I'm going to keep that nice and flat. Sand that down, flip it over, sand on the other end. That looks good, and it's all in the details. And then these will be the legs. I'm going to sand each of these down. There's two of them. Yeah, it goes pretty quick. And there we go. So this is upside down. Well, actually I want to put them on a ways, because in the real world, if you put them in a ways and somebody stepped on the or sat on the edge, it would tip. So I'm going to put those out. I'm going to measure. And on this board I'm looking at, this is the nicest side. This one's a little bit rough. So flip that over. I'm going to measure in 1/4 of an inch on both ends. And mark a guideline to line up the legs. And that one's ready to go. I'm going to put together this bench. I've marked where I want the legs. This is upside down. I marked where I have the legs go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some carpenter's glue, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. And put some glue. There. I'm going to take the leg, wiggle that around. I'm going to tip it on the side, and I'm going to take a square just so I get that perfectly square. Then I'm going to take a deep socket. You could use anything that's square and straight, and then put these on those sides like that, and then I'm going to let it dry overnight. This is dried overnight. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks great. Now glue on this other side. I'm going to flip this over. Put some glue on there. Oops, wrong way. Put that like there we go. Got some excess glue here. There we go. And then I'll put the deep socket there. One there to hold that. Let that dry overnight. And this is dried overnight. Let's see how this looks. Uh-oh. Glued it to the square a little bit. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks great. And there's the finished bench. Be sure and like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.